He's a dog, he's made of stick. What's his name? Stink Dog, he is a dog, and he has friends. What's his name? Stink Dog, Stick Dog, Stick Dog. Always searching for food, Stick Dog, and he shares it to Stick Dog with everyone who's there. Stink Dog, that's his name. It's the hiccup mix-up. Go, go, go. Best water ever. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Slow down, Stripes. Go, go, go. You might get the hiccups. Don't, I don't like hiccups. Wonder how I can get rid of them. I wonder how I can get rid of them. Well, maybe our friends will know. How to get rid of the hiccups? Yeah. I've got it. What is that? Well, maybe try standing on your head. Maybe try laying upside down. I don't think that worked. Whoa! Oh, nope, that didn't work. How am I ever gonna get rid of these hiccups? Oh, wow. Wow, the hiccups. Someone's got the hiccups, huh? Well, an old-fashioned remedy of mine is to plug your ears. An old-fashioned remedy of mine is to plug your ears and drink water. What? Drink water. Go, 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 go. Wow, Poo Poo. I don't feel like hiccuping anymore. What? You mean it actually worked? I guess so. I guess so. Well, good job, Poo Poo. You got rid of her hiccups. Well, I am a master at hiccup getting rid ofing. Oh, please. Yep, my hiccups are totally gone. And they're back. Maybe try getting rid of them by playing fetch. I don't see how playing fetch will help me get rid of these hiccups. Well, why not give it a try? Okay, Mutt. I'll give it a try. Go along. Oh. I got it. Well, that didn't work. Don't worry, Stripes. We'll get rid of your hiccups. We just need to figure out a perfect hiccup cure. Hey. Hey. What if we get rid of the old-fashioned scare? The old-fashioned scare? There? Yes. Yes. A little frightened should get rid of those pesky hiccups. Just scare them away. Well, who turned out the lights? Stripes. What? What was that? Stripes. We're here to get rid of your hiccups. Guys, this isn't funny. This isn't funny. Boo. Ah! Did it scare? Well, did it work? Wait, I think it did work. My hiccups are gone. You guys got rid of them. You guys got rid of them. They're gone. They're gone. Thanks, guys. Couldn't have done it without you. Congratulations on getting rid of the hiccups. Yeah, yes, I do indeed. Congratulations. Uh-oh. Poo-poo. Oh. Poo-poo. Stick dog. Karen. And what? I think those hiccups are contagious. Hiccup. I guess. Wait. I need to scare you too.